Have a 4030, no projector. And here's another bell. We're in the 30 building. And two 9219s, and there's one guy. 9219. Another 9219. 4030, except this one has a projector. Last 9219 of the day. And this is a recent cool station. Oh, I wanted to show off something. So, this over here is the second bell of the 30 building, except this one only rings once. Just like that one over there. And yeah. We're going to be showing off the inside of the 40 building ringing as well. As well as looking at all the fire alarms. Oh, mini horn. 92. Oh, unblur, please. Alright, 9219. 9219. Oh, not a 9219. This is a 4030 with a bell. 9219. It's a 40 building, by the way. Like I just said earlier, this is a 4030. 9219, where the pool station was. I'm gonna show out this pool station spot. It's not an actual pool station. Here, I have a conduit and it leads up to this 9219. It's awesome. 50 building. This is a very short building. In the 50 building, we only have one bell and a 9219. Two of them. Right here. Just a tidbit, we're also going to be doing most of the bell areas. So like this one. In 1 minute, this bell's going to ring, so I'm going to wait till it does. There's a mini horn. And there's the bell. Thank you. Here we have an MT on the portable. Most of these portables have MTs, except these over here. This portable has a 2901 9838. And this is another one of the fire panel rooms. This is not the only one in the school. Here's another 9838. And this is a MT.